Dr. Lutz Mary, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take the topic V model of software testing. The subject software testing and automation. This is elective for third year, 6th semester students. So V model of software testing, it's a verification and validation model. It is called as V model because it appears like V shape. A left arm represents a verification process, right arm represents validation process. Result of each phase of verification is used as input of validation. The diagram of V model, so the left side is the left arm has the verification and the right arm specifies the validation. Developers life cycle, business requirement specification, system requirement specification. Then next is high level design, low level design and coding. In right arm will have unit testing, component testing, system integration testing and verification is the process of determining if the software is designed and developed as per the specified requirements. Validation is the process of checking if the software has met the client's true expectations. Phases of verification: requirements, software specification, high level design, low level design and the phases of verification. The first point is first phase is the requirements are gathered before the development and system test plan is created. Software specification contains the hardware and software needs according to the project. High level design defines overall design of the system and the architecture design of the project. Low level design defines detailed description of every module of software. Coding contains, it includes all program validation to check that we are building the product is right or not. To check that the software being developed satisfies all of the software. The validation start after coding this. So once the verification process is completed. So the phases of validation: unit testing, integration testing, system testing and user acceptance testing. Unit testing, a typical unit test contains three phases. First, it initializes a small piece of an application it wants to test. Then it applies some stimulus to the system under test, and finally it observes the result behaviors. Integration testing. So what we are going to check in the integration testing, generally carried out by the development team and is considered to be the part of the development cycle. The integration testing has two approaches, one being the Big Bang approach and other incremental approach. System testing falls under black box testing as it includes testing of external working of the software. It allows users perspective identify the minor defects. It includes the following steps: verification of input functions, then testing of integrated software, testing of the whole system for end-to-end testing, so behavioral testing of the application via user experience. User acceptance testing is the final phase of testing before the software being released to the end user. UAT is performed by the end user or client to ensure that the system meets the requirements and is ready for production. Zephyr is a comprehensive test management tool that includes support for user acceptance testing. So SDLC, software testing lifecycle, is similar to that of software development lifecycle. So we are conducting the phases for developing the software. Here we will be testing the softwares. Thank you. Thanks for your patience listening.